gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
iQOO Neo 9 Pro just launched today. Fast refresh rate 1.5K AMOLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel Sony camera setup, lightweight in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The box comes in a black color. When you open it, the first thing you see is the phone itself. Inside you will find the user manual, a Type-C to Type-C cable, and a powerful 120-watt adapter that supports PD charging. Lastly, there is a SIM ejector tool included. Let's begin with the design of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. It comes in a red and white color, which looks really stunning on the phone. You can also compare it with the iQOO Neo 8. Firstly, in the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, they just removed the screen bracket, making the overall design sleeker. The camera module is now more compact too. The shape of the camera lenses is like the one on the iQOO 12, a mix of round and square shape. When you check the thickness of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, it feels a bit narrower compared to the previous generation. The overall feel of the phone is better too. The back of the phone has really nice texture because it's made of leather. In the red and white part, there are stitches in the center, gives the phone a premium look. On the right side, in the red part, there is a plain leather that has a lychee pattern. The overall looks of the phone this time gives off a flagship vibe. The frame comes in a red color and it's made of plastic, but the power button and the volume rocker are made of metal. Talking about the display of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, it's a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. The display has a super high refresh rate of 144Hz and can go up to a global brightness of 1400 nits. The fingerprint sensor position on the display it again at lower part, just like before. This time, the screen to body ratio goes up to 93.43% because the display has thinner bezels. The chin is bit bigger, but it doesn't affect the viewing experience much. Overall, the visual experience with the screen to body ratio is still great. The front camera is a bit larger this time. iQOO has done a lot of optimization for touch sensitivity, making gaming experience better. Even daily swiping and using the phone feel much smoother and improved. The performance of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro is really surprising this time. It runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 octa-core processor, which is recently launched flagship processor by MediaTek. Interestingly, this processor is the same one found in the Vivo's flagship phone, the Vivo X100 Pro. The cores in the processor are exactly the same as those in the Vivo X100 Pro. When testing the phone's performance, especially for gaming, playing Genshin Impact for 20 minutes in Sumeru City resulted in an average frame rate of 59.1 frames per second. In gaming, there were a couple of times when the performance fluctuated, and while playing the heavy game Iron Part, the average frame rate reaches around 58.8 frames per second. The iQOO Neo 9 Pro has the powerful Dimensity 9300 flagship processor along with the self-developed Q1 display chip. Interestingly, you can even play Genshin Impact at 144Hz on this phone. After experiencing the gaming at 144Hz, the swiping and visual experience feel much smoother and stronger compared to the visual at 60fps. You can increase the frame rate and also bump up the resolution in games. If you want super high quality, you can control the frame rate to reach 72fps and the current resolution goes up to 1.5K, providing super sharp visuals and smooth effect in the game. By default, the game runs at 60fps, but you have the options to change the quality setting in the game to instantly see the sharper detail and effects. When you play the game in high quality at 72fps, you can see the character space extremely clearly and even the background looks super sharp. In the setting, you can notice the texture on the pillar and even see the bricks clearly. The overall performance of the phone in high quality is flagship level. Also, there is a significant improvement in the camera setup. The phone has a dual camera setup this time, with the main camera being a 50 megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor. The secondary camera is 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 ultra wide sensor. The main camera has a large sensor size too. You can check out the sample photos taken with this camera.
Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Despite being a compact, the phone packs a big 5160 mAh battery and supports 120-watt fast charging. After 2 hours of medium to heavy use testing, the battery still had a 86% remaining. Talking about the price, the base variant started at 2,999 Chini Yuan in China. It converted to pound at around 330 UK pounds. If the phone comes at this price in the UK, it could be the best in its segment. In conclusion, it offers a flagship performance, a super camera setup, remaining lightweight despite being a flagship, and provide a fast charging. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
On your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell. Keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate. Go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your work.